Hello, and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I've got a super great little feature of Kajabi to talk about that maybe you haven't seen. It's hidden away. Unless you knew to look for it, you wouldn't know that it's there. So that's what this is all about today. And this is the resend to non-openers. That's right. So basically, you are able to resend an email broadcast only to the people that haven't opened it yet. This could be a great tool to reach more of your audience with that awesome email you've got for them. And it's just good to know how to use and that it's there. It's super simple. And there are some kind of things to know because you might go to use it and it might not be available for you and you're wondering why. I'll lay it all clear here today. First of all, if you go to your email marketing and you go to an email broadcast, that's the first thing. It only works with email broadcasts. Over on the far right, you will see that there are three dots. That's the option menu. And if you click on those three dots, you will see resend to unopened or non-openers, whatever it says there. Click that button. It'll ask if you want to send it right now or schedule it for later. Do that. And that's as easy as it is. It's done. It's sent. You didn't have to type it. You didn't have to edit it. You didn't have to copy and duplicate it. And nothing. Just a few clicks. Boom. You sent your email again just to the people who haven't opened it, which is a great thing to do because lots of people miss emails, not because they don't want to get the email, just because they miss it because their inbox is just jam-packed with other stuff that they're ignoring. So why is this available sometimes and not other times? There are a few things. First of all, it is only for broadcasts. Second of all, it is only available after 48 hours of the original send, basically 2 days later. And it is only available for up to 3 months from the original send. So there is a time window in which you can do this. Second of all, the original send has to have at least a 20% open rate. And you have to be an established sender. Kajabi says that those last two are basically to protect your email reputation, which is an important thing to know about and to do. You definitely want to have a good email sending reputation. And maybe I'll get more into that in just a minute. But maybe you didn't even know that there was an email sender reputation. There is. It's kind of like a personal credit rating, except it's the little internet robot gremlins deciding if your emails are worth reading or not. If you're harassing people with emails, sending them stuff they don't want, or if you are actually sending emails people want to read. Those gremlins in there, they little robots tabulate their things that they tabulate. They crunch their numbers and keep a list of who's naughty and who's nice, just like Santa. Anyways, so yeah, email reputation is important. And basically, if you are brand new and you haven't sent emails, this might not be available for you because you might not have established yourself as a real person sending emails. And so if you go in there and you don't see it, then that could be why. Don't worry about it. Just keep sending emails. Eventually, this thing will be there for you. And as long as it's been more than 2 days and less than 3 months, and as long as the first email got 20% open rate or more, then you'll be able to do this. And again, it is a super easy and simple way to reach more of your audience. I've seen people get 20 to 30% on their first send, and then another 20 or 30% on the second send. And so that's just reaching a lot more people. So for sure, look into this if you haven't already. And that's what I got for you today.